Hello everybody, this is Dr. Diamond. Welcome to my kingdom and thank you for watching this video. This is an educational video. I want to share with you step by step how a general idea become a perfect, beautiful, finished jewelry. We're going to go step by step, all the process of designing and making the product happening. So let me show you what I have in mind. We're going to focus on the canary diamond solitaire here. We're going to make earrings that will go nicely with this solitaire. So first I came out with a general idea and I just lay out the stones, the diamond, on the white sheet of paper. And this is as the first step of the designing the earrings. Okay everybody, so obviously the next step after we came out with the general idea what we want to do in the earrings, the next step is to bring it alive with the 3D design. And we're working here in the 3D design. We like to show you what we're having in mind. Basically our guideline is just to show the maximum diamond. The diamond are the main items here. So we're trying to minimize the effect of the gold, and we're putting the diamond in the design in the earring with a little bit of a curvy setting, so that will create the maximum reflection when the earrings will be finished. So this is one more step in the process of making jewelry. Hello everybody, so the good news is that we just got our waxes for the new earrings that we're planning for the canary diamonds. So let me show you what we just got right now. That's how it goes. Those waxes gonna be used to make the casting, and the next time you're gonna see it will be a gold. I'm just checking out the quality and if all the sizes are correct. So this is one more step in the process of the production of the jewelry. Just perfect. Look at the beauty. Excellent. So from now we're gonna send it to the casting. The next step is to make it gold. We have to cast it in 14 karat gold and it will become beautiful sets of earrings. Okay, so the next step is after we decide the design is ready, we're gonna do the casting. The casting is very important step. Just a minute, I'll show you what's going on here. So this is where we're doing the casting. So let's go now. Good morning everybody.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Now very important step, the casting. That's what gonna bring us the beautiful piece of earring. First step is to melt the gold. We prepared the oven. Actually the oven is ready to take the casting. As you can see, there is a lot of dirt and it's manufacturing. Now we're checking out the cylinder. So now the beautiful earrings, as you can see, getting ready for the casting in the oven. Okay, so we pick up from the casting the earrings, and as you can see, it started to get shape of what we have in mind. So you remember, it's all started as an idea. So we did the design, we did the casting, and the next step is, look at this, look at this. I love what I see. The next step is to clean it up. So we're going to show you how we're cleaning up the surface here. So you're going to understand how hard we work till the earrings become a finished earrings. Okay, so the next step now, after we took out the casting, we ask Joe to go and continue preparing the earrings for the cleanup. All the extras have to get out.
We change the way for the table.
Yeah, we have to prepare the table.
We take it off the gauge.
Yeah, we're straightening the surface here so the cleanup can be done good.
Follow the shape for cleaning. You see it, Mr. Ewan?
Yeah, yeah, right here. Watch your fingers. So it's different tools, different steps is different tools. All this process requires some special tools.
Mike, see the difference?
What a difference before and after. Can you see? Of course.
Fine, you see? And straight.
Yeah, now is the final touch before we're doing the tumbling. Nice. So now you can see it came out from the tree. We call it tree. You see this guy here? It was one piece here, so we separate the earrings from the tree that hold it in the casting. And we have to go next. The earrings are ready to go next. Now the next machine that we are using, it's called tumbler. So we put here the earrings, and it's a very, very intense vibration. It's cleaning the surface. So you're not going to believe what is going to come out. So finally we have the earrings done, ready, and it's going perfect, matching to our ring, as you can see here. What a beauty. Beautiful piece. Look at the perfection here.